Callums, where you will find clear, concise legal advice. My name is Brenda.
And my name's Safina.
Today's topic, Safina, is about changing a child's name. I've had a question from a lady who wishes to know if she can change her child's name without the consent of father. Can you answer that, please?
Certainly. I suppose in the simplest way, the shortest answer is no. She cannot change the name without the consent of the father. However, we do need to provide a bit more context to that. And it will depend upon whether father has got parental responsibility. I'm not going to go into the ins and outs of parental responsibility because there is a video that we have produced around parental responsibility. But essentially, the only way that father would have acquired parental responsibility is if he was named on the birth certificate, if he'd come to an arrangement where there's a parental responsibility agreement between the parties, or a parental responsibility order was obtained through the courts. Now, if father has got parental responsibility, because I'm going to work on that assumption because she hasn't given us any other information, Brenda, then she cannot proceed to change the child's name without the father's consent, without really going through the courts.
So what does she have to do?
So essentially what she would need to do is hopefully seek legal advice to assist her. Obviously we appreciate that not everybody can afford that, but in the event that she can, seek legal advice. But she herself, if she can't afford it, can make a specific issues application. That was by completing a C100 form and submit that to the court. And she'd be looking to obtain a specific issues order. And the court will obviously adjudicate on the issue as to why the child's name is going to be changed. So she'd need to give some reasoning and rationale for that.
Okay. So what would the court take into account because she's asked what are the chances if she takes it to court of being given permission to change the name?
Well, the court would hopefully take quite a holistic approach because they've got to look at the welfare of the child, and that's the paramount consideration. Inevitably, there will be some impact on the child's identity and relationships with both parents. The court will also think about any practical considerations. It depends on the age of the child. But Brenda, before she can even get to that stage, she would need to really go through mediation. So before an application can be issued, she would need to go through mediation, and that's a requirement, a legal requirement that she needs to fulfill first.
Okay. So I think the summary here is ask father first. If there is no consent, refer the dispute to mediation.
Yes.
If he doesn't cooperate with mediation, then issue an application for a specific issue order seeking permission of the court to change the child's name.
Absolutely. Thank you, Brenda.
Thank you.